In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube accounts directly with the Biz Control app. Step 1. Connect social media. On the home screen, click on Connect Social Media. Then tap the Add New button. Step 2. Enter name, URL and logo. In enter name, type of the platform name. Instagram. In the paste URL, enter your page or profile link. Upload logo. Click on upload logo and choose your logo from the gallery. This makes your account look professional and branded. After filling in all details, press save. Your account will be successfully connected with the app and check it. Important note: before adding any account here, make sure you log in once through Google on your phone. This keeps your account always synced and prevent disconnections. That's it. In just a few seconds, your social media will be connected to the Biz Control app.